when I talk about the Leviathan and how the social contract has been broken, I'm going to show you something here as to support as to why and how things have gotten seriously out of hand. And the fact that, well, obviously I'm personally affected by this. Don't look at that. Just dander. But I'm going to hover over this for a second. Since I was charged with criminal harassment, harassment would mean repeatedly over a long period of time, not necessarily over the instance of one day. Now, the consequence of being found guilty is upon finding of guilt. You see that? DNA sample, weapons prohibition order. And if we scroll over to here, they want to put me on the Sex Offender Act, on the Sex Offender Registry. I don't deserve that. Because I've not been in a relationship for 7 years. I've never had any priors. I have not ever hurt a woman in my life. Never hurt one. I've not done anything that would lead this to happen. And I've already been through counseling. So this is redundant. You see that feminism, contemporary feminism, has destroyed the social contract.